So good and so easy to make. Hey everyone, welcome to Vegan Hangout. My name is Clarence. This channel is all about sharing info, tips and recipes to make plant-based living healthier and more fun. Today we've got a really cool recipe for you. It's vegan strawberry ice cream. Now this is my favorite kind of recipe because it's delicious, completely healthy and super easy to make. Let's dive right in. Now you will need some pre-preparation. Just get a bunch of strawberries. We like to buy organic ones. Wash them, remove the tops and freeze. Now slice up a bunch of bananas and freeze them as well, and that's it. Now whenever you feel like some vegan ice cream, just take out a handful of frozen bananas and strawberries and put them in a blender. Add 4 tablespoonfuls of date sugar, which is a really healthy sweetener, but you can of course use whatever sweetener you like. Add some soy milk, just enough for the recipe to blend, and start it up. Top it off with some nuts if you like, and enjoy. And now let's bring in the test subjects. What are you eating, darling?
Strawberry ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Super duper duper yummy.
Yes.
So do try the recipe. I think you'll be surprised at just how creamy it is. Plus it passes the kid test, so it must be good. My kids have never tried non-vegan ice cream, so maybe that disqualifies them. If you have any questions or know how to make the recipe even better, please leave us a comment below. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on plant-based living. And I'll see you in the next video.